Introduction to fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. Now, when we talk about whole, we're talking about complete. So it might be a whole number, a quantity, fruit, object, or whatever you have. Now, if I have an apple, okay, hope you don't mind my diagram. Okay, and then I divide this apple into four size or four this thing. Now, when I have it in this form, I can just give out one. Now, when I give out this part I've shaded, I've just given one of the whole. I don't know if you get. So I'm giving out one part. So this is just 1/4. Okay, let's get to understand this better. Now we'll have fraction examples: the 1/3, 3/5, 1/4. Okay, now you know numbers when you write like this: 2.5. This is a decimal, right? Okay. Then you can also have 3%. This is what percentage. But when you have this bar, this fraction bar, you know it's just fraction. So it's very easy to detect fractions. Okay, so for this fraction, we'll have this as 1/3. This is 1/3. This one is 3/5. That's how you pronounce fractions. 3/5. This one is 1/4 or quarter. So I want to write quarter, or you can say 1/4 or 1/4. I think fourth like this, FOUR. Okay, and this one is half. So you can use quarter or 1/4. I just want to use half for this one. Okay, and this is how we pronounce fractions. Okay, let's talk about parts of a fraction. Okay, for parts of a fraction, we have the number up here and the number down, like above the fraction bar and the number below the fraction bar. Okay, for numbers above the fraction bar, they are called the numerator, and numbers below the fraction bar are called the denominator. Okay, for this other number here, we'll have 5 written alongside with this other one. This one is called a whole number. Okay, remember this is n, so whole number. Why this remains the numerator, like we said, and the other one is the denominator. So this is 2/3 or 2/3, and this is 5 whole number 2/7. This is how we pronounce them. Okay, let's go over to types of fraction. We have three major types of fraction. We can also have equivalent fraction, but we're not going to dwell on that. Let's continue from here. Okay, proper fraction. A fraction is proper when the denominator, by denominator, the numbers below, is bigger than the numerator. Okay, so if you pay attention, you see that 5 is bigger than 3 and 30 is bigger than 7. So this is a proper fraction. Now you can also assume this as, let's say, 3/5. It means 5 can carry 3. It makes sense. So that's proper. So let's say the bigger one carrying the smaller one. It makes sense. It can work. Let's check out for improper fraction. So we see a fraction is improper when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Now let's see. Let's see for this example. We have 7/2 and we have 5/3. Let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3. Doesn't really go where 3 carrying 5 is impossible or improper. So it doesn't make sense. This is just like having this over this. This cannot carry this, so it doesn't work that way. It doesn't make sense. Okay, so these are examples: 7/2, 5/3, 11/7 or 6. They are examples of improper fraction. Okay, let's talk about the mixed fraction. Okay, for mixed fraction, a fraction is mixed when a whole number is written with a proper fraction. Okay, let's have example. We can have 2 whole number 1/3. This is 1. We can also have 4 whole number 5/8. We can also have 5 whole number 1/6. So once we have a whole number written alongside with proper fractions, that gives us a mixed fraction. So Examples of whole numbers, your normal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, they are whole numbers. Now we have a task. For this task, identify the fractions below. So 2/5, what kind of fraction is it? Is it proper, improper, or mixed fraction? So just identify them. Do it for just 4 questions. This video is brought to you by Operation Academic World. Here is our official email address, and here is our WhatsApp contact. Good to have you. Do well to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much.